Diarthrotic joint, aka also known as synovial joint. Diarthrotic joint has lots of range of motion, and the reason why it's called synovial joint is because it contains a synovial cavity. So the synovial cavity, as you can see, the synovial cavity could be found here as a space in between the bones. The basic design of the synovial joint is very simple. It has three parts to it. Part 1, articular cartilage. Part 2, articular capsule. And part 3, synovial cavity. The synovial cavity can be found is a space found between the bones. So let's begin one by one. Let's go back into what's known as number 1, number 2, number 3. So articular cartilage is composed of hyaline cartilage, and this type of cartilage, function-wise, it lines the ends of long bones. The second component is called articular capsule, which is composed of the outer fibrous capsule and the inner synovial membrane. Alright, so here's a question I want to ask you is what is the outer fibrous capsule made out of? What tissue is it made out of? Hint, it's on the outside, so which means it has to be very, very tough. And the answer is dense, irregular CT. I hope you got it right. Good. And it's used for support. That's the key. So this tissue is used for, this fibrous capsule is used for support. On the inside, there's what's called synovial membrane. The synovial membrane lines the synovial cavity, and it secretes synovial fluid into the synovial cavity. So it secretes synovial fluid into the synovial cavity. So the synovial cavity is a space in between the bones that contains synovial fluid. So the question is this: what are the functions of synovial fluid? Function. And the answers are, first answer would be used for lubrication. Correct. Second answer would be it provides nourishment to the articular cartilage. Very good.